Hey, now it's Sunday. I'm just going to continue from Saturday because yesterday was kind of a dud. I mean, it was fine. Anyways, today I didn't even turn on the thing till 12. Doordash wouldn't let me in, so I did Grubhub and Uber Eats. I got a Grubhub almost immediately for a Tikka grill, delivering like 2 miles away. It was like $12. So took that one, delivered it, no problem. And then Doordash let me in, so I got a Doordash for Togo's coming over here to Newbury Park, so I took that one, and then I got
Turn left onto Lily Court.
Mouthful
Destination is on your left.
on my way back that's also going to the same neighborhood, so I decided to try it, see if it was ready, and it was ready, so I kept it, and now I have both orders and I'm going to deliver them. So yes, today is doing a little bit better than yesterday. Well, so far, we'll see. It's only been 38 minutes. Anyways, I got to drop off this food, but I just wanted to pop in real fast and tell you what I was doing. Okay, so I dropped off that Grubhub, and that was easy. Now I've got like 0.6 miles to the second customer with Doordash, and then I just grabbed an Uber Eats for 12 something from Jersey Mike's, going 2 miles. So yeah, it's gonna be a nice little run. I haven't even been out an hour yet, so this is pretty good. Anyways, yeah, yesterday was kind of, it wasn't that it was bad, it was just boring and slow. I got some decent orders here and there, but it was kind of painful. Last night was fantastic. My husband was driving, and we took 2 long distance orders, like 10 miles away orders.
Then turn left onto South.
We got them both done in like a little bit over a half hour, I think, like 45 minutes maybe, and it was like $50 something. So that was pretty cool. I think it was like about 45 minutes. Anyways, that was amazing. So then we did good last night. I think we averaged, well, over 40 an hour for sure. But it was because we got some really good orders. So anyways, I'm almost to this customer, so I'm gonna turn this off. Okay, I dropped off that Togo's order, and then now I'm on my way to Jersey Mike's. Grubhub just offered me a 8.7 Del Taco for $11. I'm not gonna do that, that's too far. Anyways, what I was gonna say about last night is we had just good offer after good offer. I'm shocked we decided to take those 2 long distance ones, but it was actually really fast because both orders were done. Went in, picked them up, drove. Went in, picked them up, drove. The second one, it was not as far as the first one, but there was a $25 tip on that one, so that one alone came to like $34. I think the other one was like $29 or something. So pretty awesome. Here's a Farmer Boys, $8.75. It's going the opposite way. Just keeping these on because if there's something that can pick up near where I'm dropping off the Jersey Mike's, that would be awesome. Anyways, yeah, so it's been a pretty good weekend. I mean, like I said, yesterday was kind of dead. Money-wise was fine, but it was not very fun. Last night was fun because everything was ready. I didn't have to wait, and we got a lot of orders. Then we stopped at like a little bit before 8 because it was just drying up. That's what happens here. Not a lot of orders. 7:30 hits for some reason, and people just go to bed. So I'm not sure if that's what they're doing, but they're not ordering. Last night was football games, so I kind of thought there would be more. I'm kind of not parked very good here. So I kind of thought there'd be a lot more going on because of the football games, but I don't think we got any football orders. Denny's. Here's a $9.34 for 8.8 miles. No thank you. Okay, so I'm gonna go get this food. Can't wear my sunglasses and my mask because my mask might. Okay, dropped that Jersey Mike's off, and then I got a sugar box donuts. It's only $9. and it's going 1 point something miles. So I accepted that. Should be pretty straightforward. Oh good, there's no long line. I'm already almost here, so that was like a no-brainer. All the mileage is going to the customer and they're not very far away. So anyways, I'm there, so I will come back later and update you. Alrighty, dropped off those donuts. It was very straightforward and easy. Now I don't have anything. How sad, I don't have anything. Oh, it is gorgeous today. Sunny, blue skies, 73 degrees. I love it. Got to wear shorts today. It's fantastic. Let's see. So hopefully I'll get some more orders. It's 1:14. I wanted to go to 1:30, so maybe one more order. A good one. One good one would be awesome. I have no idea how much I made. Not keeping track, even in my head. So the first few were bam, bam, bam. I didn't even have time to think about it. So I just grabbed them, and then I realized I still had the GoPro in the car. I'm like, hey, I'll add to the other video. That was, oops, let's see. Here's a Grubhub. Let's see what this is. $12.50. Wing Squad. Where the heck is that? Oh wow, that's going kind of far. I'm not going to take it. It's going clear in the opposite direction. Oh, 9.7 miles. No thank you. I don't want to go real far away. I want to kind of stay in this general area here because I'm almost done. Let's see. What else was I going to say? Talked about last night. Friday night was not great. Last night was much better. I'm not gonna drive tonight. We never drive on Sundays. Just basically sometimes Thursday, sometimes Friday, sometimes Saturday. So it just depends on what. Oh, this guy, slow down when I'm gonna pass you. Speed up. That's great. There's a Habit. I might take this one. Let me see. Here's a red light. I can, when I get up here, see where it's going. Get around this guy, Mr. Speed Up so you don't pass me guy. Let me see. Okay, I'm gonna take this Habit. 3 miles, 10.75. It's another Grubhub, 10.75. They're on the other side of town. Habit makes much more sense because Habit's right over here. Let's see what else. I think that's it. So this will be an extra 10.75, and it's delivering in the direction of my house. So that's awesome. And then I can be done. I don't know. I have so much to do at home. I just have been putting it off. But today I'm gonna try to get some of my list done. It's nothing that's fun to do. I don't really like housework. I know some people love it. It's just not my thing. I mean, I'll do it obviously, but it's not something I enjoy. Some people I know do enjoy it, but I mean, there's certain things I don't mind. Like I don't mind laundry at all. I don't mind doing the dishes. Wow, is that all I really like? I don't like doing anything else. Making the beds are fine. I don't like cleaning the bathrooms. I don't like washing the floors. I don't like vacuuming. I used to love vacuuming, but now it kind of hurts my back. So I don't love it anymore. Dusting's no fun. Ooh, what's this? Grubhub. McDonald's. Oh, this is going the same direction. I'm going to take this one. It's going the same direction as the other. $15.94 for 2 miles. Can't say no to that. And it's going the same, like just the next neighborhood over from where the Habit's going. So not a problem at all. Hopefully this Habit is ready. This Habit's kind of slow. God, this lady is... Take your children and your dog and get out of the parking lot. There you go. Wow. Little girl, about a year old, wandering by herself in the parking lot. Wonderful parents. Parent of the World Award. Parent of the Year award for her. Okay. So let me go see if this is ready. Probably not. But hey, you never know. Well, I didn't look at that map close enough of where that customer was for Habit. It's delivering in this neighborhood that they don't have paved streets and there are huge potholes, and I don't want a flat tire, so I unassigned that order. I know it's going to go against my completion rating, but I don't want a flat tire. That would be way worse. It's a really horrible neighborhood. Their streets are just, they're unincorporated and it's just terrible. So I don't want a flat tire. So anyways, I unassigned that, but now I'm going to McDonald's and I'll deliver this one, and then I'll be done. So yeah, that kind of sucks. I didn't notice that that's what street that guy lived on. I don't know. It wasn't ready yet anyways, so I don't want to make the good tipper have to wait. This guy that's paying a lot more for this McDonald's, and it's actually a little bit closer than that one. That was $10. This is going to be close to $16, and he lives on a nice normal street. So I know people think I'm crazy, I'm sure, but I don't want a flat tire. And last time I actually got out and walked down to the house because I saw all the ruts in the road. I parked illegally because there's no place to park, and then walked a block down the street to give him his food. I'm not this guy, but well, it could be this guy, but someone on that street. So anyways, yeah, not my problem anymore. The next person can deal with it. So anyways, at McDonald's, I'm gonna go pick this up. Okay, I just dropped off that McDonald's, and now I pulled over here by CVS because I'm gonna run in there, but I wanted to see how much I earned today. It's been exactly an hour and a half.